Okay, welcome back. Let's go ahead and do another example. So let's return to the slicing tomatoes exercise and example from the example 13.1. Try it. The means of the tomato yields under the 5 mulching conditions were represented by, and then there were those 5 groups. We will conduct a hypothesis test to determine if all the means are the same or at least one is different. Using a significance level of 5%, test the null hypothesis that there is no difference. Okay, look at that. Isn't that nice of them? They gave us the null hypothesis for us. In mean yields among the 5 groups against the alternative hypothesis that at least one of them is different. No problem. Okay, let's go ahead. So we got step 1. The original claim here, let's see. To determine if all means are the same, or if at least one is different. Let's just make that one the original claim. So the original claim is all means are the same. Remember, step 1, I don't need to be super extensive in writing it. It's just there to help me. Opposite of the original claim is at least one differs from the others. Okay, and so step 3, my null hypothesis is going to be mu1 equals mu2 ... all the way to mu5. Step 4, alpha equals 0.05. Okay, and now let me get my data and go to Excel. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to get my data. Open in Excel. Okay, there's the 5 groups. So first thing I'm going to do is save a copy. And then I'm going to insert a row there. And then I am going to, let's see, what am I going to do? I'm going to open up another, okay, so go like that. All right, now I'm going to copy all of these right here. All of my formulas, I'm just going to copy them. Okay, so, whoops. Select, copy. I'm going to come over here, paste. Okay, I don't need this one anymore. Let's take a look. Sum of, and then it doesn't like the reference. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a new reference. Let's see, open up my keyboard. Alrighty. Take the sum of these. There. And then this right here is a count. Take the count of these. There we go. And this, all right, great. So there we have that. Wait a minute, what happened there? Why is that so big? Oh, because those numbers squared. Okay, that's fine. All right, let's go ahead and Command C, Command V. Okay, there we go. But you know what? We actually need more than that. So let's go ahead and Command C, Command, let's see now. Command C, Command V. There we are. Okay, this one here needs to be corrected. enter. And this one needs to be corrected. And this one needs to be corrected. All right, now I think all the other values, well, let's just take a look. Right, yeah, so this one needs to be fixed. This area, this thing needs to include all of those. There we go. Let's look at this, just make sure that looks good. Right, we already did that one. This one, is this one good? Yeah, it just references those, which we knew was good already. All right, so it's looking good. Look at that. It's all pretty much done for us. All those nasty formulas are in place already. Oh, but look at this. K is not correct. There. 5. All right. Okay, good. So there we go. So in this case, the variation between groups or within groups is quite a bit smaller than the variation between groups. But even so, look at that p-value. All right, so let's go ahead and screenshot this. There we go, and there we go, and there we go. Copy and delete. Back to Notability. Paste. Okay, there's all the information I need. So I'm going to go, so my F statistic is 4.481. And then my step 6, my p-value is 0.024. All right, and so what's my decision going to be here? I'm going to reject the null. And so my step 8 is therefore going to be, there is evidence to reject, right? Because my original claim, this is the null hypothesis. I didn't even put in the alternative. The alternative here is not all equal. This right here is my original claim, so I'm going to say reject. So there is evidence. Put in my evidence, p equals 0.024, which is smaller than alpha, so my data is extreme. There is evidence to reject the claim that the means are the same. There is evidence to reject the claim that the means are the same. And I think we are done there. All right.